Hi Shamrocks, this is Mrs. Kolchuk. I just wanted to walk you through how you could use library resources to prepare for any upcoming AP exams that you might be taking. So first off, to get to the library resources, you are going to start here at the main Catholic Central homepage. You're then going to navigate to this academic tab, scroll up to Learning Resources and go ahead and click on that. And then scroll down the page a little bit and you'll see this box here that says View Library Resources. Go ahead and click on that, and that is going to take you to the library's homepage. And if you haven't already done so, please just go ahead and bookmark this page. It'll save you a few clicks the next time you go to get to it. So we're going to be looking at one of our databases today. So you'll click on the Database Resources tab at the top, and we are going to navigate to the Peterson's Test Prep database. So that is this button right here. If you guys are accessing this resource from home, you will need to enter a password, and your password is going to be Shamrock. This is what the main screen looks like. You'll see front and center there is an option to log in or sign up. You really need to utilize one of these two options in order to get access to all of the tools inside. So if you have an account, go ahead and sign in, or if not, get yourself started. It is an easy process. You're basically just entering an email address and creating a password, but this will allow you to not only access all of the tools inside the database, but it will save your progress. So we are interested in AP test prep materials. So if I look at their main menu, the Improve a Test score is already highlighted. We are then going to scroll down to high school. Click on that, and here is the advanced placement section. So you can see all of the practice tests you have access to. So you can go ahead and click on any of these, and let's see, wait patiently for the page to load here. You can see that you'll have access to, there's flashcards, videos, and practice tests. So there are 11 topics here. So if you start it and get halfway through, it'll save your progress. So then when you go back in, you can pick up right where you left off. So in addition to Peterson's, you also have access to another resource, and that is through the state of Michigan. So you'll click on the link here to the Michigan eLibrary, and then it is an e-resource. It's one of their databases. So you'll click on the e-resources tab at the top, and we are actually looking at this Learning Express library, which they very conveniently put front and center for us under this Browse All e-resources. So I can go ahead and click on that. Once again, these databases are free to all the residents in the state of Michigan. If it wants you to verify you are a resident of the state, you can enter either a driver's license number or your library card number if you have a library card from your local public library. So for AP test prep materials, it's right here under the college admissions test preparation section. Can prepare for your AP exam. We'll click there, and you can see the AP exam materials they have available for you. Once again, you will need to create an account in order to use any of these materials. So as you can see, if I click here, it's asking me to sign in or register to begin. And once again, that's so that it can keep track of your progress, so you can go in and out of the database easily and pick up where you left off. If you guys have any questions about how to use any of these resources, You can come see me at any point in the Learning Commons, or if that is not convenient for you, my email address is right here. Go ahead and send me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching and good luck.